I am Fresco Wilson. I am from Brooklyn, New York, and I am the editorial producer at Stadium Goods, and I also am a teacher of social studies. Raised in the city, basketball inspired my love for sneakers. You know, I just realized that no matter what I did, I couldn't get away from shoes. Like, it was inevitable for me. That transitioned into me working various random jobs, and I landed with Game 7 Marketing as a storyteller. So I would go around telling these extravagant stories of basketball and fashion in New York City. In 2015 comes Stadium Goods and Social Studies. Social Studies is an extensive teaching program that teaches people about the cultural and business side of footwear. Social Studies pretty much empowers kids in this realm of the world because they dominate this business, but they don't necessarily know anything about it. I teach a lot of brown and black kids, and I want them to see that somebody that looks like them can be successful in this space of the world. So when I think of the new black history, I think of Jay-Z, Barack Obama, these people that have empowered themselves, and they live in a space of not just the business aspects, but we understand our worth and our creativity and what it brings to the business. New black history is creativity and not conformity. I realized that I can't work for sneakers and I have to make them work for me. So sneakers have not only inspired me, but they've guided me.